Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download Instagram videos for free. Very easy guys, very simple, just couple of clicks. Let's launch the Instagram app first. Let's try to find a video that we want to download. Let's say for example we want to download this video from the gallery. All we gotta do is to click on the upper right corner, click on the three dots, right? Then I want you to hit the second button in the menu, which is link. When you click on the link button, you essentially copy the link on the clipboard from the actual video. The second step is very easy, which all you gotta do is to go on Google Chrome and look for this app over here. It's called snapinsta.app. Click on it. When you're at the actual website, you wanna paste the link from the actual clipboard from the video that we just copied. Then you wanna click download. Very easy, very fast. The app will process the video, and this is where the video exists. You want to click download, and then you can do whatever you prefer to do with the video. This is how simple it is, guys, and free to download Instagram videos. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and of course come back for more.